Hello everyone, my name is Armin. I'm a job developer intern at Chabot College Career Center, and today I'm going to show you how to use Handshake, which is our job search tool for our Chabot College students. First things first, go to the Chabot College website, and on the top right corner you'll see the search bar. Type in Handshake, click the search, and then you'll see the first thing, Handshake Student Job Board. Click on that, and then you'll see the step-by-step instructions on how to use Handshake. If you have a mobile phone, you can download the app right here. But if you have a computer like me right now, you can go straight to the website. Alright, so if you're new to this, on the top right, you'll see sign up. You can sign up, but if you already have an account, you can log in. Just want to let you know, if you are going to sign up, make sure you use your Chabot College zone mail address instead of your personal email address. Alright, I'm going to put my zone mail address. Click next. And I'm going to log in. Perfect. So we're in the home page of our Handshake. There are three things I would like you to emphasize in this video. First, I'm going to show you how to find jobs, how to filter them, and how to set job alerts. Second, I'm going to show you how to register for events. And third, I'm going to show you Career Center collections. First things first, click on the jobs on the left corner. These are the jobs that we already approved in the drop-down list. There are also three things that I would like you to emphasize here. First thing is going to be on the top right. You'll see filters. Click on that. Let's say if I want part-time internships only, you click part-time, and then you click internships, then you click apply. So these are all the part-time internship jobs for me. Second thing I would like you to emphasize is going to be sort by here, and then click the drop down list, click newest jobs, and then you'll see this little box, tick it, so that you will get notified for any new part-time internships that get approved. Alright, second thing, I'm going to show you how to register for events. Click on the events on the left corner, and these are all the events that we approved from the employers. So several things that's good for you to, like when you register for events, you get more advice on hiring and recruiting, you get more resources for career, job skills, resume building, and you get more networking as well. Third thing I'm going to show you is going to be Career Center collections. Click Career Center on the left bar, and then you'll see View All Collections. Alright, so these are all the pathways that Chabot College has, and they are specific to the major. Let's say if a student has a business major, click Pathway Business. So these are all the jobs that we put into this business collection. I would like you to click on the follow button on the right side. So this will turn on the job alerts. If we put into this collection, any business jobs will get you notified. All right. Last but not least, if you have any questions, you can email us at cc-careercenter@chabotcollege.edu. We are located in building 700 second floor. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.